9 16 07. That's the best electrolyzer I made so far. I use 12 volts, 2 cells, and we draw so far it looks like almost 11 or 12 amps, and the temperature is almost 195. That's pretty good. It's boiling very good. We have a lot of hydrogen. Okay, we stop so far because I'm so happy to know what I'm supposed to do now. Wow. Best. Bye for now.